Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Sidra chain. The claiming problem has been resolved. If you are mining Sidra, you can now go and claim without stress. So if you are still finding it difficult to claim your Sidra, you have to make sure that your app is updated. Go to your Play Store, search for Sidra and make sure that you are using the latest version. If you are using the latest version, to claim your airdrop won't be a problem now. And here we're also going to talk about the KYC. If you have not done your Sidra KYC or your Sidra KYC has been showing pending, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'll drop my WhatsApp link here. Join my WhatsApp, send me message and I will help you on how to go about it. I have helped a lot of people here on my WhatsApp group how to verify their Sidra account. So if you want to verify your Sidra account, reach out to me. I'll tell you the procedure on how to get it done. So right now we are going to claim our airdrops. Now to claim, you click on these claim tokens. So you are going to give it time. You are going to make sure that you position your face. You keep trying, you are going to get it. What I normally do this period is that I mine my Sidra late at night. That is what I usually do. Around that 12 1, that is when I will mine my Sidra. At that point, the server is not busy. There is no much user using Sidra. So at that point, once you bring your face immediately, it will capture. So if you try it and it did not work out, keep trying it late at night or early in the morning. Definitely you are going to mind. So this is what I'll be doing. I tried it now and it failed, but it is already working for some people. So go and check if your app is updated. And another point is for you to mine late at night. Sidra listing is coming very soon. Sidra might list this December or early January. So we are using Sidra as a new year money. So if you have not positioned yourself on this Sidra, you have little time to do this. It's not a must that you mine all the project. If you find Sidra very difficult because of their KYC physical stuff, you can actually buy your Sidra. So many rumors have been flying around that Sidra is going to burn those tokens that are not in those CDA that are not in the Sidra app. They are going to burn it. Is a lie. How will Sidra burn a token that is outside their wallet? It doesn't make sense. The only way Sidra can burn your SDA coin that you have in your MetaMask is if you connected your MetaMask to your Sidra. And I'm not advising anyone to connect. Before you connect your MetaMask to your Sidra, make sure that you have done your KYC. If you have done your KYC, connecting your Sidra to your MetaMask, that is an external wallet, it is very, very okay. Nothing will happen to your Sidra. But if you have not done your KYC and you don't even want to mine Sidra, you want to buy and keep in your Web3 wallet like MetaMask, you have to just import your Sidra custom network in your MetaMask, buy your Sidra and keep there. Nothing is going to happen to your Sidra. And do not forget that I'm currently buying and selling Sidra, Ruby, USDT, Ton, whatever gas fee that you want, listed and unlisted tokens. Reach out to me. I'll give you the best rate. Do not forget also that I'm buying ECS, that is ESCO network. Right, reach out to me on my WhatsApp and I will reply you instantly. Now, for you that has verified your wallet and you wish to connect your external wallet, which is your MetaMask, this is how you go about it. You click on this wallet here. You will now click on this default. This default you are seeing wallet. Tap on it. Okay, now you can see add new wallet. Add new wallet. You tap on add this new wallet and you can see Sidra recommended external wallets for advanced users. This is for advanced users. It's not a must you must connect your external users. If you remember when we are mining Pi before Pi launched their token, we did not connect to any external wallet. It was during the process of listing that we were transferring our Pi to our Bitcase for easy withdrawal. The project launch, there will be a congestion of network. People will be, struggling to withdraw. So for that reason, we have to transfer early enough to our Bitget wallet and nothing happens. So it is not a must you connect external wallet. They said it here for advanced users. So if you don't want to connect your external wallet, it's very, very okay if you want to connect. But forget about the rumor that is flying about Sidra. Sidra will not burn your token or your coin that is in the external wallet. So you click on this register. You have to read and understand connecting. So I'm not going to connect at this point. I think I'll stop. I have given you the process. Once it's connected, you are not going to choose your MetaMask. After connecting, you see different wallets. They said example MetaMask. So they are recommending MetaMask. So you click on that MetaMask and you are going to connect your wallet. You will link your wallet, optional if you want to link. So I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.